Today we discuss about Microsoft important features. Mail merge. Mail merge is a mass mailing facility that takes names, address, facts about recipients and merges the information into the form of a letter. If you want to create a document for mail merge, you need to do the following: create a data source, create main document, insert fields into the main document, checking for design and data entry errors, merge the data source document and the main document, and finally print merged documents. Mail merge is a mass mailing facility where we can create main document and data source, after that merge them. Today we discuss step by steps how to perform mail merge in Microsoft Word document. Firstly, we type some information related to functions where we can invite all the friends and relative on the occasion of birthday celebration. Now click on mailings and select start mail merge options and select step by step mail merge wizard. When you click on that, at the right side pane, it will display select document type. Here, what type of document are you working on? First one is letter, email, message, envelopes, labels, direct. By default it is selected letters. Then we can click start document. After that again new options appears here. Select a starting document. How do you want to set up your letters? First one is use the current document. Second one is start from a template, and last one is start from existing document. By default it is selected use the current document. Then click next, select recipient options. After that again new options displayed. Select recipients. Here again three options are: use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts, and last one is type a new list. Click on type a new list and click on create button. It will display a new address list dialog box. Here you see their title, first name, last name, company, address, city, state, zip code, also called a pin code, country, home phone, work phone, and email address. If you want to add all, then click OK. If you want to customize or add or remove some fields, then click on customize column. We can add or delete fields name. I want to delete titles, click on yes. First name I want to rename, only use the name and click on OK button. After that, delete last name options. Company name, it is not required in my database. Address to delete them. City, state, zip code and country, it is required. Home phone, delete it. Also country, we want to send within a country, then delete, otherwise. After that, click on delete email addresses also. Then rename address line 1 to address only and click on OK button. It will create it, click OK. After that, all the customized fields appeared on a screen. Type the names. All the details regarding type. When you want to enter a new record again, then click on new entry button. After typing records, click on OK button. It will display a Save As dialog box. Tap the name of file and click on Save button. Again, a new recipients list will display. Click on OK button. Then click on Type a letter. We already typed here. These are the letter contents. Then click on Write. After that, you can click on More Items options. Here, click on Name and click Insert options. Close it, press Enter key. Again, More Items, Address. Again, type more items. You can add all the details. And finally close it. You can arrange this. by pressing enter key. When completed, click on preview. It will shows the list that you typed in a file. Then click on merge. Next, merge the range. After that, here two options displayed, print or edit individual. Click on edit individual letters. Here new options again displayed, all are current. You can select if you want to send only 2 or 3%. If you want to send all, then click on all buttons. After that, click OK. It will create of 5 documents. See there. Kajal and Soni, Rani, Sohan, Mohan. All 5 copies are displayed and automatically it creates the 5 copies of a main document. That's the features of mail merge, where two different documents are merged within a single document. That features is called mail merge. After that, you can print it and send them all individually. Click on file and save as. Type the file name like mail merge and click on save button. These are the steps for creating mail merge in Microsoft Word document. Thank you.